Hello everyone, in this lesson I'll show you how to install PyCharm onto your computer. First of all, what is PyCharm? PyCharm is an integrated development environment used in computer programming, specifically for the Python language. What is an IDE? An IDE is a software application that provides comprehensive facilities to computer programmers for software development. PyCharm provides a more conducive environment to write and run your programs. You will soon discover how charming PyCharm is. To download PyCharm, go to Google and enter PyCharm download. You will find this link, Download PyCharm. Click on it to download. On the PyCharm website, you will find two versions, the professional and community version. If you are using Windows, then click on this tab. If you are using Mac, then click on the tab for Mac. So the community version is free and open source. It's sufficient for us to write and run our Python programs. So click on the button Download. Your download should start shortly. When the download starts, you will see this dialog box to request you to save the download file. So click on Save, and in this case, I've saved it into the Downloads folder. The setup will guide you through the installation of PyCharm Community Edition. Click on the Next button. Use the default destination folder. Click Next. Check these installation options and click Next to continue. Use the default Start menu folder and click the Install button. It doesn't take long for PyCharm to be installed onto your computer. At the end of the installation, you will see this dialog box. Click on Reboot Now and finish the installation. After restarting your computer, you can open up the PyCharm Community Edition. Check this to accept the terms of this user agreement to continue. You don't need to send the data for sharing, so click on Don't Send. When PyCharm starts, you are given the option whether to create a new project, open an existing project, or get it from a repository. So let's click on New Project. The section on location allows you to change the location of your Python project. The base interpreter links PyCharm to the Python interpreter. Just check that you have the latest version. In this case, it's Python 3.9. So this Python interpreter can be downloaded from the python.org. Once everything is being selected, click on the Create button. The Tip of the Day dialog box will appear. Just click on the Close button. This is the interface for PyCharm. In this area, you have the name of the project and the name of the program. The name of the program is called main.py, and you have some default code inside this program. You can increase the size of the font by going into the Windows menu and select the Editor tabs. From the Editor tab, you can see the font item, and from here you can change the size of your font. Let's change it to 16 and click on OK. To remove the existing code from main.py, select the code and press the Delete key on your keyboard. So this is where you can start writing your program, or you can copy and paste existing program from Trinket into PyCharm. So I've copied and pasted the code for the text-based adventure game onto PyCharm. Let's run the program. To run the program, go to the Run menu and select the Run item. Then click on main.py to run it. The output window will appear below the program, so you can click on this area to resize the output window. So the text-based adventure game starts with a prompt whether to go left or right. I've typed right and pressed the Enter key. Oh, I fell into a dungeon and that's game over. Let's run the program again. Click on main.py to run it. I've entered left, followed by find, and the last option is middle. So I found Steve. Once the program has ended, you can press the Enter key to continue. With an integrated development environment like PyCharm, you have a bigger area to write your programs and also to organize your Python files appropriately.